Ebusamema wakwa ba from Ghana TV GH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification also on so that anytime I post a video, BT Seria, Usame Kebi. Ebusia and Endra, we heard a very positive news from Bono region. Now the news and it say Chairman Abronye has been maintained as the Bono regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Na menempa say ade we be nkofo bebre de na nkofo bebre so wa nyonwu de. Some members of the New Patriotic Party will not be happy, but me, I am happy say Abronye has been maintained. Look, nipa bakwa after we've come to opposition, wa bo modin aye juma Abronye. It came to even a time Abronye was persecuted. Onun kwa Abronye no, ye didn't kokota, ye didn't to a car there friend of Black Maria mo. Cage muna ide Abronye to where they didn't kokot. Till ene Abronye is still in court. Squaw Abronye ko abrochire nyina no. Abai we say omo mpenema na enko bio. Until they seize his passport. Those are some of the things that Abronye has so far gone through. I believe, sir, it is a right to say so for the sake of MPP. As at the time, one individual be a hijack party now biantimi kebinu. Abronye is that very person or standing up to the bully. I know sir, some mechanic of our conversation, they will not be happy with it. But as at the time, biantimi ka sa about ye papa mo amunim no me boni din wa. Abronye stood up and Abronye engaged in a very solid campaign for the party and for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Even though the Bawumia campaign sought to distance itself from Abronye's statements then. But you will understand, because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a man of peace. But Abronye are very instrumental. And after Abronye victory, was sending a word of caution to NDC for. Abronye say yen catch NDC for say, if you ever thought say you were going to have a field day, rethink it. Because right now no bagawaya. And say 2024 NDC winning almost all the seats, parliamentary seats in Bono region. But Chairman Abronye say yen catch the NDC for say the same way any the same tactics our Moody winning Bono region in 2016 no. Sa chat nato. And because sa chat nato 2028 we are going to use that same formula to get back our seats and even more. And I mean they say right now most of the executives that are being voted for are people who have something to lose. My learned colleague, Debbie. But there are people who are motivated, okay, to show, say, MPP is a better option and MPP is a better government. And to congratulations, Chairman Abronye, Chairman Asiedu Nketiah, you better watch out. Chairman Abronye is coming for you.
Chairman say mayor wonders. Okay. Our Bono region. The Bayer regional youth organizer. The catcher almost say a Bayer wonders. Our Bono half. It's a mutis Asiedu Nketiah Gananum and our Rene Bono Ninana. No, a general secretary. Yeah, we need 26 from Ayi Bosso, Ekosi Atebugu. Yeah, we need 26. Okay. It's in chart in the money one. Nay, catch almost a wonders a year 2016. Chart not to your bayes are wonders in 2028. No, say, Medomu Babe ye a Dumantene. I'm a party no reclaim city our region in Munina. O mamma no Muko Yeninano. I am Rantiana. mpanyimfo a na ɔmo nsua adwuma wɔ me hɔ ɔma nsua adwuma na nwie na ɔmo so ɔmate ɔmo bɛrɛ baakɔ no bɛho wohwɛ ɔnabo yɛ afo a ɛyɛ ɔnabo kɔsi ame akyerɛ me ne baafo awia ne de ne maa me sɛ menkyerɛ n'adwuma nti mekyerɛ n'adwuma no ɔnsua nwie ɔrɛ waapɔn ne ho wɔn nyinaa wɔn ampɔn wɔn ho a wɔn yɛ sɛ wɔn ba no mebɛkye wɔn atena se na yɛabɛde united front sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtuma win ne election 2028 what matters ne sɛ every vote count so far as I yɛkɔ election 2028 na every vote count wɔn ate ada one way or the other no yɛn no mbɛfiri aseɛ yɛbɛfiri aseɛ mebɛgye mmerɛ akɔ ɔmo hɔ one after the other na me no ɔmo akɔ akɔtwetwe nkɔmɔ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛnya united front na yɛne aban na ɛte soɔ ne deɛ asie ni ɛti mehyɛ me manfoɔ nyinaa bɔ sɛ dwumadi a ɔmo de ahyɛ me nsa efie nan no mɛhyɛ ɔmo anumunya 2028 bɛba awie no wɔn bɛka sɛ decision ɔmo make ɛnɛ no ɛnyɛ decision ɔmo ayɛ ato agu ɛti me dɛ ɔmo nyinaa sɛ ɔmo hwɛ anim sɛ me na ɔmo ba bɛyɛ adwuma na party na fa ne ntoma pa afira
abusia chairman won't me say court be money bill say court e money bill a video yi mu na abehu now intelligence amagada from deep throat sources within the NDC government any judicial service in mu na me no ba be check into video na like na share na afo from so nya be nhwe na asem na me be kan ti ni ye very important now answer na me ba intelligence na so no me menye lawyer and I'm pretend say minimum rana ma fizamental law class da na ade a menti ase e twetwe maso any ni nti a lawyer attaching on na lawyer for chairman wontumi ebe file bail application in the same court and before the same judge politically NDC for you soon no edijeli chairman wontumi 20 years menti ase say leadership order no judge na President Mahama instructed Chief Justice Bafuboni and Justice Poaman more mature judgment man no a ono nso ko redi ye edijeli chairman wontumi no menti ase I say yes, judge na before judge na court and a lawyer attaching a file a bill application. We mention say that woman no or no Mahama bidding. Mahama the personal vendetta or war against him wound to me or person or bona bro persecuting or jailing or tormenting on yes, judge no. I know mu use no head to sana mono. So I don't understand why I wear a clear will be any more Ghana. Then so lawyer attaching. Yes, a woman na the court. Any before her, I know I file that bill application. Minim say son and marane tear there, that's fine. But minim, by the way, a court on como, a lawyer phone como. Into young pantry ho. Me embra the substantive issue. So now, a brother told you say, Chema wound to me. The lawyers are filing appeal. As I am filing bill application pending his appeal. No, there was a crucial meeting be a course. President Mahama held a meeting with a Justice Poaman of the Supreme Court. Any Chief Justice Bafuboni na instruction or the more ya back. And so make sure say her leadership order will deny bill application. That is it. That is the only instruction President Mahama. Edema a Chief Justice Bafuboni. Any a Justice Poaman, any Justice Poaman on na ebe to sana mono no na ebe judgment no ama her leadership order. Justice Poaman no maka on several locations there. Only the hatchet man of this NDC government, our judicial service in the no more using the persecute MPP for because Mahama promising and he said Chief Justice Bafuboni Kwahum in December, only being as Chief Justice. So he is doing the hatchet job of President Mahama. On no never judgment in the Ama leadership order. Amana read this we're denying Chairman to me build. No. That is instruction Mahama de Momo. But you see Ghana, yeah, sure. And yen him said the name Tamaklu, ne accomplice nipa na oni ni wia sika over 90 million Ghana cedis no. Or file appeal. Or sign a file bill application no ye grante no ejai no. Ema ni kofi pending the appeal case no. Obi a we sika wabo Ghana kro no. In excess of 90 million Ghana cedis. Ama omo nneema hye wo kantamanto afam wu ene ne ekeka ho. Ono or file appeal. Or sign file bill application pending his appeal no. Ye jai no so on concourt nefi. There is precedent. Ghana for chairman won't to me or no. Only a Ghana sika. Onku obi a. Madelini because musu obi yagalam say one assassin so. Yes, so no, what file appeal. I was here filing bill application. Mube deny. Ghana for you. Yes, say, oh my Ghana, and you have two set of laws. yɛde edi Ghana for yɛde ne mu ɛden ne yɛ skill no ne yɛ chinchim no ne yɛ manipulate no yɛde di MPP for ana ne ɛwɔ mmara ne mu ankasa no yɛde di NDC for yɛhwɛ Ghana for nyinaa ahwɛ sɛ mo be deny chairman untumi ɛyɛ bail application na we are watching and ɛbɔ yɛde hyɛ wɔn judiciary no mu ne sɛ saa power na constitution ne de amamo Ghana mmara na de amamo na mo exercise no it doesn't come with a total freedom. It comes with accountability. How am we use mmara no? A day is coming and you will account for it. You will account for it. Munyina. Mua President Mahama use mu. President Mahama, he has immunity bill. I don't know. First 3 years na immunity ne apply, but after 3 years immunity apply. If that is what the law says, I say make kind of correctly. But mono, you may not have that immunity. And there are several ways you be holding to account using same member constitution. Into mudia mopa politically mun deny chairman to me build no. Mon can say cronfona or ni said in tamaklu. A bo Ghana crown we are 90 million and the chef at a man bill pending appeal. But chairman to me we are Ghana si combo Ghana crown unkuni pebia. Na sa se na musu obi akwa akoye galamsey was no de mo money bill. Mo de mun decide monka mona 2 minutes mon say ne. Ye nyina ye hwem Ghana fo nyina hwem. But me dey bia me can say the day of reckoning looms and it's coming so fast. Over the last 1 year, Gold Board CEO Sami Jenfi, that criminal, only the owner of Bawa Rock, Alhaji Rashid Bawa, have been traveling across the globe. Almost get taxpayers' money, Chile, almost enjoy, almost go on leisure tours, have fun, almost geo money. By law, by convention, by international best practices, Gold Board as regulator, any Bawa Rock as regulated entity, and Uncle First said, Dom, in terms should be strictly official. It should be arm's length. It should be one a promoting accountability na ensure say Ghana for ebenye GDA ewo regulator ni mu. But abusia na yekoso na asefem. Na yekoso na time ni wo ba bia Ghana practice yakwa akuduru no asefem. Picture na that one was recently taken in US yasi na World Cup no ekoso no. Now we share a owner of Bawa Rock in the company of Sami Jenfi Gold Board CEO and other CEOs and appointees, functionaries of the NDC government. Near what also Ted, counting from left, our White, the owner of Bawa Rock, Alhaji Rashid Bawa, and as Sami Jenfi soon as Shahonomono. Now, me person who notice 2 important people. Our picture them. You better come once later in this video. You the kind, Abbas Nuruddin, currently NDC Ashanti Regional Communication Officer. Our science we CEO of Social Investment Fund. Taking notice of him. And I think to take notice of Ayɛka J. So I think so a communication officer. Man NDC. Bono region Honomo baby. And our science we CEO of NEIP. Take into consideration and I said notice. So anchor for me new way. Or position in the picture. And picture we sent a kind was recently taken in US. Gold Board CEO Sami Jenfi and Bawa Rock owner Rashid Bawa. They were in US during World Cup. I almost have a fun. They slept in the same hotel. They drove this in the same convoy. I almost chile, almost Germany have a fun with taxpayers' money, which shouldn't be so. What do you want so to China? Picture net that's wrong. These 4 musketeers. Sami Jenfi Gold Board CEO. Abbas Nuruddin or CEO for Social Investment Fund. Ayɛka J or CEO for NEIP. Any Bawa Rock CEO and I say owner picture. And this picture was taken in London. Osha picture you will see the London Eye. That is where they went. Enjoy having fun with taxpayers' money. And abusiam, sadie way, very dangerous. Very dangerous. And my country was saying Gold Board a regulator and a Bawa Rock a regulated entity. Now, and Uncle First said and say personal. Because personal to this level, it breeds corruption. And near my idea where dangerous, then they say, per the structure of the gold supply chain, Gold Board and Marano I establishing a currently no. Gold Board the term Ghana for Yesika. At the Bawa Rock. Bawa rock the sika ne koto to gold. No ababe ton gold ne the ama gold board no wenya son faso. With this structure in place, wo gold board now, wo license Bawa rock now tam ye sika. Edema Bawa rock edidija no. You have to be professional. You need not to have any personal relationship with a Bawa rock. As I say, relationship be a one in will be should be professional, it should be official. Send ye sikana what the man Ghana for sikana what the man no or the ya dia enya ubetimiatiano now then a farmer council. But what Sammy Jenfi is doing right now, positioning himself to have personal relationship with a owner of Bar Rock to the extent say only need to pine echo have a fan no is breeding corruption. It's engendering a nepotism and favoritism. And sadly, we say, KC wo US has say, and KC wo UK, and any serious country, and there will be a full-blown investigation. There will be a full-blown state investigation into the activities of Sami Jenfi, any owner of Barrock, Alhaji Rashid Baum. Imagine, say, Nipa or that Federal Reserve, no, US has is seen having fun across the globe with the CEO and as the owner of Goldman Sachs. Imagine that scandal, how it will play out in this US, and how they will take it seriously. And you see, what is going on? It clearly established, say, Barrock, owner of Barrock, or your NDC, as I have always been saying, say, or your NDC, that man is a full-blown NDC member. And an internet NDC for no pay, and all my man. To me, I said, only aggregator or no penny what to me so betting you to gold. Every license buying companies no about betonama gold board. Now, fame so, and these buying have gone out of their way to put a system almost time Ghana sika edeman or to gold. And you see what kind of IMF report now. They said, gold now gold board every Bawa rock or they inflate the price. In fact, price in it was so. In the entire region, African region, price in it was so baby. And this is the model and Crawford fast to add a Bogana for Crodon. And much them say, NDC are buying because about rock on the NDC. Now, strategically, Mahama and our position to steal for him, Mahama Nintino. Almost said that to go to na boarding a free bar rock on her, no Maquac or Tonwam on Nagana Boca, and then a Magana a Boca 1.7 billion. And you see, I dear way I cost on Ghana for man, sorry, and Cassentia. A beha or my Ghana dachi. Say a regulator, any a regulated entity. But if we dear nim, I have it a morose affair. Have a fun, and now, at the taxpayers' money. Or Chinabino, Barrock, ya boniam, Sami Jenfi, positioner, or then one tomb, having personal relationship with Barrock, or bear the Atiano. Obey the ensure say Barrock will do the right thing. This is the sorry state of Ghana. How in Crawford we a hijacking the gold supply chain and almost bog Ghana